Hello and welcome to this preparation video in making the mitered crocheted poncho. In this video I will show you how many blocks you will need to make a poncho that will fit an adult size. The size that I am making is for a combination of large / extra large. Come follow me, and in this short video the preparation that you will need and the links below to the videos on how to make these mitered blocks. The choices of yarn that I am using is Lion's brand yarn called Wool Ease, thick and quick. It's a real nice yarn. It doesn't feel like itchy wool like you would expect. It's very comfortable. The size of this yarn is a super bulky size 6. The colors that I am using is claret and the same type of yarn. The other one I'm using is gray marble. I purchased these at Joann's Fabric and Crafts. I did buy them when they were on sale. You will need 6 of the gray and 6 of the claret. Now if you go to YouTube, you'll see here's my name, Garnet is a Jewel, and I have videos to show you. You'll see that this one shows how to make the square. The link will be in the description. And this one here shows you how to make the triangle. What I do not show you here is how to make the solid one. But you use the same pattern to make the solid one as well. So, come join me and let's get started on the making of this poncho. When you make your squares, please leave enough tail so that we can use this to sew our blocks together. At the beginning of each video, or of each square in the video, I encourage you to leave a tail for sewing purposes. For this design of square, you will need 16 of this style. This one in claret, as you can see, has its tails. You will need 8 of this block, 4 for the front and 4 for the back. For our mitered triangle, you will only need 4 in the making of this poncho. I encourage you to leave all your tails long because we will use them to sew our blocks together. While I was making these blocks, it did take me about a week or so. I did it at home, I did it at lunchtime, and so this is a good take with you project to make as you prepare for these blocks for the poncho. So take your time. I will have the second video online here shortly. I encourage you to use any color. You can use any kind of yarn, even though I suggest the thick yarn. I do recommend that you get your blocks to be, for this large size, about 8 to 8.5 inches. And once you have the blocks needed, you'll be ready to assemble. You'll also need a large eye tapestry needle for the next video. So I hope to see you then, and Take your time, remember to count, and till then, bye-bye.